The ocean corridor between China and the United States is one of the busiest in the world for container ships. As this figure illustrates, around 300 ships completed more than 1,200 voyages in 2015. We modeled the potential of using zero-emission hydrogen fuel cells instead of fossil fuel to power ships sailing this corridor. The results are encouraging. As this chart shows, 43% of full voyages and almost 80% of individual legs that comprise them could be completed without a single change in operations. With one additional stop for refueling, the attainment rate for voyages jumps to 99%. With a second stop, it gets to 100%. An alternative to refueling stops could be just carrying more fuel on board. Reducing cargo by just 5%, which is around 300 standardized containers to carry additional fuel, could be enough to complete 99% of the voyages. Alternative fuels also need to be cost-effective, so these results highlight the need for economic assessments. But as an especially challenging case for applying hydrogen fuel cells for propulsion, this study provides an encouraging signal.